Hey guys, this is Zach and Grayson with Dreamedia Home Theater. We have the Klipsch RC-64 III center speaker that we're unboxing today. This is one of the most premium speakers before you get into the heritage line that Klipsch has to offer. The keepers of sound. Let's take a look and see what we have inside. You can see they specifically designed the RF7 and the RC64 to go together. That is the manual. They have some little bumper feet. And then we are actually using the RF7s as well. Make sure you bring your muscles because this thing is heavy. Okay. Alright, they packed it up very nice. Make sure it doesn't get damaged. Here's the grill, which should be magnetic. I'll verify here in a minute on the speaker. We did the ash black finish. This does come in a couple different wood finishes. You can see this customer's upgrading from some Polk audio. Very nice terminals. You can see they have the power ratings here on the back. 8 ohm, 200 watt. Designed and made in Arkansas. Now let's take a look at the front. Alright, this is a beautiful center speaker. I can't wait to get it hooked up with these RF7s. If you guys would like to purchase this item, give us a call or shoot us an email. Make sure to subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Nice clean magnetic grill, and then you have the bumpers, which we're going to stick to the bottom here. And then flip it over and you're ready to go.